prosperity and abundance surround me. I release all negativity around building wealth. I attract prosperity with each thought I think. I am extremely successful. I deserve the best, and it comes to me now. I enjoy my prosperity and share it freely with the world. Everything and everybody prospers me now. I am wealthy. I spend money wisely. I will live life abundantly. I expect the best, and I get it now. I am living the life of my wealthy dreams. Money flows easily into my life. I am so grateful now that I possess abundance. I create prosperity in my life. I am worthy of the finest life has to offer. I deserve to have financial abundance in my life now. Abundance and I are one. I enjoy an abundance of money. My greatest good is here for me now. I attract money to me, and I am attracted to money. I am grateful for everything I receive in life. I have unlimited abundance. The universe has chosen me to be wealthy so that I can help others with my wealth. I love money. I enjoy making money and strive to have fun in every aspect of my work. Whatever activities I perform make money for me. I believe anyone can be wealthy, and that includes me. I enjoy multiple streams of passive income. Money flows to me easily, frequently, and abundantly. I give thanks that I am now rich, well, and happy. My ideas are incredible, and I have the creative energy to bring them to life. I expect lavish abundance every day, in every way. I always get everything for my greatest good. I notice prosperity all around me.